Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic Autodesk Maya tutorial how to lock object. So as example you can insert the cube object and the second for the sphere object. Okay, you can use move tools to move the object in right axis. If you want to lock like this sphere object, you can click in the layer tools. You can click these icons in the top corner layer. So it will be show for the layer editor and you can select in this points option, sphere option, right click, and then you can choose the lock selected. So if you use the move tools, it will be automatically lock the object. So this is for the box or cube, and this is for the sphere will be locked. If you want to lock the cube, you can select, go to again in here for P cube option, right click, and then you can choose the lock selected. Okay, it will be lock the cube object. To unlock, you can right click again and then use the unlock selected. Okay, that's it for basic Autodesk Maya tutorial how to lock object.